Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 125 of my coding journey. In this video, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to try to do a challenge on Front-End Mentor. I got about an hour and a half, so if I don't finish, I'll just finish off camera. I'm going to see how far I can get. I never did one of these challenges before. I just signed up for the pro version, and I just want to try this out and see if I can, put my skills to the test of what I've been learning for the last few months. Definitely going to do a lot of Googling and research because some of this stuff I'm using vanilla like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript right now. So yeah, I've been using React for the last like couple months, so it's gonna be, I don't know, I'm gonna definitely need to use Google. But so let's get started. So I got a bunch of shit open right now. So I got the Figma file. I'm not sure how to use Figma. So I'm up here acting like I know how to use it. Yeah, so I'm just looking and see like what I need this for because they gave me a style guide. So I'm gonna drag this to my other monitor over here. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna even be looking at it because I don't think I need that. And I don't think I need, actually I do need that for a live preview. So I got a little fresh file. And these are the starter files that they gave me. So I got a style guide here. And it comes with the colors, the font, the font family, the weights I'm going to be using. So I guess I do need this. I do need this Figma open, I guess, just to look at the, then again, I think they gave me screenshots. I probably don't need this Figma file. Let me just close this out and just open up these. So I guess I'm gonna start off with desktop. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do this. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because like I said, I haven't used vanilla JavaScript. I'm gonna drag that to my other monitor. And I don't need that. I guess we can open the active states as well. And the mobile, because I'm going to start off with the mobile menu. I'm going to open this up too. I'm going to start off with the nav bar. We'll just work my way down, take my time. Like I said, I got an hour to see, if I can see how much I can get within an hour. So what I'm going to do is, let me open up. I'm sorry, I'm a little unorganized. I'm gonna put that on another screen just so I can see where everything at. And I'm gonna try to fix this the best I can. Move that over. And move this over to right there. Alright. So, let me move this back. I think we're good. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and get our files. I'm gonna do index.html. Doesn't even feel right writing this shit. I haven't we could do styles.css, and we're gonna need JavaScript, so app.js. Alright, so we got our 3 files we're gonna be using. Oh, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need this. Did I close it out? Yeah, I think I closed it because it got images in there. So let me go grab all the images very quick. Oh man. Alright, design. Assets. Images. Alright, I'm gonna grab all of these, copy. And I'm gonna paste them in assets. Oh, folder. I need a folder assets. Alright, so assets. I'm gonna paste them here. If it lets me paste. Oh my god, I probably should have just dragged them. Let me just drag them. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we got our images. Perfect. Alright, so first things first, I say we go ahead and do some like universal styles, you know, the box size and border box, image width 100%, height 100%, and I mean I could use CSS variables, but I don't see it's really no point of doing that because there's only a few colors. I can just come over here and just copy what I need. So yeah, so let's go ahead and actually first let's go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna do a link CSS, and I'm gonna put my S on it. Always put styles.css. All right, so let's go ahead and do some like universal styles. So I'm gonna go ahead and do box sizing, border box. I'll do a margin 0. I'm gonna do a padding 0. What is 0ch? I always wanted to know that. So images, I'm gonna do width 100%, height 100%, and I'm gonna do a body. So I found a little trick out. This trick is really nice when you're working on like little like stuff like that. I forgot what it's called. It's landing pages, I guess. You can put like a width on a body, a max width, or maybe it's like a min. Yeah, I think it's a max width. A max width of like 1440 pixels. I think maybe I should do like 1200 pixels, and then do a margin auto, and all your stuff will be like nice and centered and inside of the body. I think. Alright, so I think that's all I should need for now. We can go ahead and do we can do a text decoration none. Do a li, can do a list style none. Okay, I think that's good for now. Let's start getting stuff together. I'm gonna go ahead and open this in live server. All right, cool. Close out of that. All right, so okay, so we're gonna do this first. So we're gonna need the logo and our nav links, and then we got our hamburger menu, which I didn't even open, but it's gonna be right there. But it gotta turn into an X once it's active, and it looks like it's gonna be on top of the that's very interesting. That's very interesting right there, actually. All right. Okay, this is gonna be a little tougher than I thought. All right, so let's do I'm trying to be semantic here and be a little organized. So for try to do, you know, semantic HTML, I'm gonna do a nav. Then so in this nav I'm gonna do div dot logo, and here it's gonna be our logo. Logo is gonna be, what is it, image, where's the logo? Oh, logo slash logo.svg. Put a little alt here, say logo. Ooh, whoa, that is huge. All right. Damn, that's actually pretty huge. Why is it so big? Oh, because I did width 100%. Should I change this to SVG? Can I? Like I said, I haven't used like vanilla stuff in a while. All right, so that, and let's go ahead and do our nav menu. So I'm gonna do a div dot nav dash menu. And here we're gonna do a li. Oh, not li. We're gonna do a Alright. Trying to think. So maybe change this to a ul. And then we're gonna do li. We're gonna list all of the ones. So we got home, new, popular, trending categories. So home. Actually, let's try to keep it all in one line. So this is so small. All right, so home. Copy that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so new, popular, trending, and categories. I would have definitely spelled that wrong. I always spell it wrong. I put an R always. I put categories. All right, so categories, and we should be able to see. Okay, perfect. All right, so we got that. Now we need to find out where we're gonna put our So this is the interesting part, because on here I think I can fix that actually. Hold on. Because on here it looks like it's on the nav menu, like, because I'm gonna definitely have to do a position fix whenever I hit this, or maybe position absolute. And it looks like the logo is inside the nav menu, but I think I can fix that by giving this fixed and then giving this a Z index to go on top. So we're gonna have to play around with that. Let's drag that back over. All right, so what I'm gonna do for now, I'm gonna put it outside of the nav bar, the nav menu. So I'm gonna have a I'm gonna do a div dot. So I'm gonna have one for open and one for close. Or I'll probably just do div dot mobile icons. That way the JavaScript can just be one line. Because what I can do is probably do a toggle between the two. So I'll grab mobile icons inside the JavaScript. I'll add an on click to this div here. And then I'll add an open class to this div. And then a close. Okay. I think I got it. So yeah, inside this mobile icon, I'm gonna have both of my icons in here. So I'm gonna do image. Why am I doing images if they're icons? Like, is it? Dude, I haven't used like I've been using React so much. Like, am I supposed to be using images here, or what? So dot slash, because this shit's about to be huge now. So we're gonna do icon menu first, and then I can just type it up. Image. Huh. Yeah, we're just gonna play around with this, definitely. Assets. I'm gonna do a close. All right, let's try this. Try that for now. All right, so we got our X, our W, our all of that crap. So I probably should have kept Figma open, because maybe it'll tell me how like wide the logo and stuff is. So maybe I'm gonna open this back up. Maybe I did need that. All right, so let me fix up my code. I really want to be organized with this, because like I need to practice organization. So while that's loading, let me fix it up and see if I can you know. So we got our nav. So this is our nav. I think that looks great. All right, I think that looks great. So let's see how wide our logo is. It should tell me over here. Maybe inspect. So the logo is approximately 64 pixels width and 39. What? I don't think I was supposed to put those in SVG. I mean, image. Was that? Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna put Figma over there. And what I'm gonna do, instead of having this, I wanna comment this up. No. See, look, now it looks normal. I don't think I'm not putting that line. I'm just gonna do my own stuff. I'm not putting that. All right, so this is exactly what we want here. All right, so let's go ahead and start styling a nav. So I'm gonna do, I don't think I need to add a class to the nav. Just gonna grab it. All right, and nav bar styles. And all right, so let's start styling this thing. So we're gonna do nav, not knack, really. Nav, play flex, and justify content, space between, perfect. And what I'm gonna do for now is get rid of the mobile icons. So for mobile, I'm gonna actually do that a little bit further down. I'm gonna do mobile icons. I'm gonna do a display. I think didn't. I put mobile dash icons. React, man, React. So used to using React. All right, so display none, and so for nav, so for dot nav dash menu, I'm gonna do a display flex, and we're just gonna do a gap of 30 rem. I probably should be like looking at this crap, right? How do I calculate? Like I said, I know use Figma. I never use it. I need to like learn it though, definitely. I'm gonna try to be a developer. All right, so definitely gonna need some padding on the top. And we forgot to put our font in too. Let's do a line item center. All right, and maybe we should put a pattern on the whole entire body. I don't think that's ideal when it comes, but I mean, it's just one little section. Let's just try it. Let's do it. I don't think this is smart, but let's just see. Yeah, it looks okay. So for now, inspect. Yeah, it looks okay for now. All right. It actually looks really good. It looks close to it. Oh, we gotta get close to it. My goal. All right. So for the nav menu, let's get our color. I believe it's Let me check over here. I believe it's, can't really see on that monitor. It's like a, how do I zoom in on here? A Control T. Okay. I learned that skill from Photoshop right there. All right, so it's like it's like this color here, this dark grayish blue. But before I do that, let's go get the font and install it. So let's go to Google Fonts right quick. Or I think they actually gave it to me, but yeah, it's here. But I think I gotta import it. So remove all of those. So let's enter. And we're gonna need 4, 7, and 800. 4, 7, 800. All right, let's import that. All right, so for everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a font, family, enter, answer. All right, all right, so let's change the color of the links. So we got nav menu, li, grab those. I might have to change the font size as well. Alright, so that, and I don't know if the font size is default to that. It looked like it's a little bit, it looks correct, right? Don't it look just like that? But so far, I mean, this looks exactly like that. I'm keeping it just like this, not touching it. Now we gotta work on the responsiveness, so that's gonna be a tough part, I think. Let me fix up my code a little bit. So I don't know about maybe I'll work on this section here and then do a responsive later, like do the JS and like actually do the whole entire, like try to get the desktop version done and then do the mobile version. That's what I think I might do, even though it's supposed to be the other way around. It's supposed to do, I mean, the ideal way to do it nowadays is mobile first approach, but I was taught desktop, do desktop and then do mobile, but yeah. All right, so yeah, I think I might go ahead and try to do this like do this first, the desktop, and then maybe off camera do the mobile one, because like I said, I only have like an hour and a half. I'm not like I've been, they already been recording 24 minutes. All right, so let's do this section. So can I mark up on this? I want to mark up. How do I like draw on here? I mean, I wanted to draw. Okay, I guess I can just do this. So what I'm gonna do for this section, just split it up. I might try to use grid. I mean, or I can just use a flexbox for it to be easier. So like this right here would be one div there, and then this here would be another div here. So first we'll have one big div. I wish I can mark up. Bye. Okay, here we go. Wait. Okay, here we go. All right, so I have 1, big div. So it'll be a section, right? Don't know. Do that one black. That's our section. And then for the green, so that's our section, and then we'll have that shit didn't even change the color. Like blue. Use this one. Okay, here we go. So this would be one section. I mean one div here. And then this would be another div over here. And then within inside this div, I'll have two divs. This is, well, actually, this would be an article with a, looks like a H1 and a paragraph and a button. And then we'll have our image inside of a div. And then this one I have, this div I have, maybe that looks like a H2, H3. And then I have article with a, looks like a H3 maybe. So maybe that's a H2. With the H3 paragraph and then three articles. So yeah, let's do this. Try to do this. All right, so do this first. So I separate everything so I can know where I'm at. I'm gonna scroll down some. All right, so I'm gonna do a section, and I'm gonna name this section can name this section, we can just name it section for now. So section, and within this section I'm gonna have two divs. I'm gonna have div dot left side. I'm just gonna do div dot left, and we're gonna have a div dot right. Div dot right. All right, so for the left side I'm gonna have an image. So I'm gonna do another div. Actually, I learned something new the other day. So it's just, oh, this is a perfect time to use it. I've been waiting to actually use this. So there's this picture HTML element that I learned about yesterday. I actually looked it up the other day. Picture HTML element right here. So yeah, there's this picture HTML element that is used for response. Like you can use it for responsive design. So this comes with two images. So it comes with a mobile and a desktop image. So what I can do is, I can't explain it, but you can set, I guess, an image so when that breakpoint hits, that image shows instead of the other image. So yeah, let's see if we can get some syntax. I think this is it here. So picture. So copy this over to here. Yeah, it's the picture, and then the source would be, I think I will do my mobile one here. So my mobile one to be here. I'll do that's where is that? Desktop, mobile, copy. All right, so my mobile one's gonna be there, and then the max width is whenever it hits. So when it hits 7, we got the breakpoints that they said. 375. What the hell? Ain't it? Yeah, it'll be 768, I believe. So when it hits 768 pixels, that's when this image is gonna pop up. But default, I want my Hopefully I'm doing this right. I want my um, desktop image to show like that. Go ahead, name it banner. All right, so let's see if that works. Okay. There we go. Wait, did it change? It like it changed, yeah. Okay, I think it's working. You just don't have any styling. And I think it's working. All right, so that's the picture element, guys. So that's that. So that's the left side, and then underneath we got an article. Trying to be semantic here, organized. So article. I know, like articles, like I see it all the time. Like people just use article all the time. So article, and it looks like it's the H1 that says bright future of web 3.0 question mark, and then trying to think. So drag this over here. So the bright future, and then this would be over here. And I guess we'll have maybe a div inside this article. Div. And then we'll have E, which I need that text. They didn't give me the text. Maybe they did. Hold on. Where's the text? Frontend tour. These challenges actually take a while. Like they're like whoever gets on here and say that they just get on here and spend an hour on these challenges, but maybe like this is junior. The newbie ones was like look so easy to do, so I tried to challenge myself and do the junior one, but these challenges actually take a while. You actually got to think of a lot of shit for them, so I'm definitely not gonna be able to finish this on camera. All right, so let's go to assets. This video is gonna definitely be like 3 hours long. So read me. Maybe it's this one. Okay, here we go. So which one are we looking for? The weed dive. Wait, where is it? Oh, this isn't it. Maybe it's this one. That's not that one. Maybe it's this one. Okay, so let's rename this to just X. I'm gonna what's the name it? Delete it. I just need it for now. This is where the text is at. It looks like. So yep, here we go. So we need. Yep, we need this one. All right. So here, this in a P. That. And then we need a button. And the button should say, where are we at? I got so much shit open. We don't need that. We don't need that. Where is my... Okay, there we go. We need a button that says read more. All right, perfect. So that's our left section. Looking good. So now let me fix this. Gonna be organized. So that's our left section. Let's go ahead and do our right section. And see, our right section is gonna be a div. Yeah, that's the div, right? And then we're gonna have a looks like a H, maybe a H2 that says new, and 3 articles. Maybe I'm using article too much. Like I said, I haven't used semantic HTML in a while. Got a truck outside, sorry. You guys hear that? So yeah, I haven't used HTML in a while. Like I just been using JSX and React. So yeah, I'm gonna try to maybe article, and it looks like it's like a H3, maybe H4. Let's just do a H3, and then a paragraph. E. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just copy this 3 times. 1, 2. Maybe not an article. Maybe I should just do a div. I don't think it should be that many articles, right? I'm just gonna do a div. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Just do a div. Div and then div. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and copy over all that text over here. So we got hydro index H3, and that in there. The downside, but it's really nice that I probably really should start doing these challenges more, because like I said, I've been on React since January. I haven't even like opened like vanilla HTML and CSS since then. So just to keep like my skills fresh, definitely want to start doing these challenges a little bit more, because so many times where I need to, you know, definitely use this. All right, so now we should see that's perfect. All right, so now it's time to start styling this thing. I'm gonna fix up the spacing and stuff in a second. All right, so section, let's actually give this a class name, because we're gonna have more than one section. So let's do, see, I was about to write class name, so I used to fucking React. Other than that, auto. Okay. All right, so class, I'm just gonna name it hero section. Yeah, class hero. All right, cool. So these are my navbar styles for now. Let's do hero styles. All right, so we're gonna grab hero, and we're gonna do a display flex. Why is it going off the page like that though? Open up Figma. Maybe, oh, maybe I just gotta tweak this a little bit. Hold on. Do line item center. Justify content center. Maybe. And a gap of 3 grams. All right. That image is what it is. What's doing it. So let's grab the left side. Okay, let's grab the left side and make it a display flex. Flex direction column. And I want to grab that image right quick and see. Image, go with. Actually, ooh, max width 100%. Is that right? Is that the right thing? Looks right to me. I think like the right size. Yep, it looks right. So when you set a max width to 100%, I guess this is my theory on that, because like I'm a newbie, but it sets it to the correct, like what the widths of the original like image. So if you go to Google and download this image, it's gonna set it to like just that width. That's my theory. Cause like when I take off max width, so let's try min width and see what happens. So min width 100%. So min. Okay, now this is weird. So that just debunked my whole theory right there. So yeah, I have no idea, but whenever I set a max width 100%, it goes to like what that image is supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to explain it, but all right. So did that take off? So everything looks good so far. Not gonna lie. All right. So left image that this needs some gap and spacing. So I'm just gonna do a hero. Let's do a margin top of 3 gram. Try to like match it up to this. Where's my image? Try to match it up a little bit. All right. Mine doesn't seem to match up. Like, do it have to match up perfectly? Because like, for example, my image is like there's a stopping right here in the middle of home. Mine is stopping here. Is this like, do it have to? I don't know how these challenges work, or like, do you just get it looking just like it? I mean, in my opinion, this looks just like it. Or maybe I just need to make this. Let's just finish. See what we can do. All right. How long I've been recording? I got 44 minutes. So I got about 15 more minutes. I think I can, maybe like 20 minutes. Stretch it out a little bit. All right, so that's that. I think the image looks great. It looks perfect. So I'm not touching that. Let's do something with this right side. So what I'm gonna do is just scroll down a little bit, because this is where my styles for this section is gonna go. The bottom of that. Just go scroll down just a little bit, and I'm gonna grab the right side. And do I have to do a display flex? I don't think I have to do a display flex. Actually, let's do a background color of where is it? So it looks like it's just dark blue here. Okay. And maybe a height of 100%. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, now this is interesting. Okay, hold on. Maybe let's see what happens. Okay. I don't think I should be setting the height on this though. I don't think that's a smart thing to do. I don't think that's definitely not how you do that. That I think I can get that to the top by just doing align item center. Align items center. Maybe it's since it's a column, so yeah, this would be align items like start. Maybe no. Column. Justified content. Start. No. Alright, I'm trying to see. Alright, so yeah, I don't think I should be setting a height for that. I think I should just let the content set the height. Okay. Alright, so let's try that. I'm gonna do that. And so first things first, let's grab the I got people talking outside. Sorry if you guys can hear them. So font size paragraph is 15 pixels. So let's grab my index. Right, so let's grab the H2 first and let's start styling that first. And I might actually make this into a flex box. I think that'll be smart. So let's do a display flex. And oh, okay, I know why I did that. And flex direction column. And then let's give it a gap of, I don't know. Let's try 2 rem for now. And I don't think I have to give this a flex, actually. Let's not give it a flex. I think this shit's gonna make it low-key hard. Alright, so let's grab first, let's change the color of all the text to white here. So I can see everything. Alright. So first things first, I'm gonna grab the right H2 and I don't know what the font size of that is. Maybe it's a H1. Maybe change it to H1. H1. Okay, didn't change. Alright, so let's change to H1. Alright, so I'm gonna do a font size of 16 pixels, 15, no. Let's do 20 pixels. Why is it not going? That's right. Oh, I did font. Oh, that's why. Font size. Alright, so 20 pixels, 22 pixels. Maybe I can go to Figma and see what it is. Let's go to Figma. Trying to get it perfectly as I can. So here, zoom out a little bit. And so we're gonna grab that. So new. Looks like it is 40 pixels maybe? Oh, font size is 40 pixels. Okay. Okay, Figma. Let's go. I see you. That's what I need it for. There we go. 40 pixels. And the color is gonna be that yellow color, which is this soft orange. And let's see if it got any more styles to it. Where if I can find Figma. There we go. Okay, so it has I could just copy this. So it has a line height of 40 pixels. Copy that. And get it perfect. Line height 40 pixels. We got a font weight of 700. And ignore all of that crap. Alright, so there we go. So that's that. So now let's see what we got for the P tags and stuff like that. Group 2. I believe they said these are 15 pixels, line height 26 pixels, font weight 400. So I'm gonna copy all of this. But that's for the P tags. So let's go ahead and do right P. Copy that. And for the color, it was that light gray. Looks like it's like this gray color right here. All right, and let's see what we got for the title. If I can find it. Do you even have the title in here? Oh, okay, this is the title. All right, so the title is 20 pixels, 24 pixels, font weight 800. And that is for right H2. I believe I did an H2 or it was an H3. Maybe I did an H3. Yeah, I did an H3. 3. Okay. And for the color, it looks like the same color as. Really, no. Is that the same color? You see, this one looks a little bit lighter. I think it's I think I got it mixed up. Oh no, it's this one off white. There you go. Color gonna be that. Okay, so there we go. Now we have to grab them and do a border bottom. But to do that is a little trick to that actually. So let's see if we can make this work. Maybe this will tell us what everything is. Like the spacing, like does it tell the spacing? Okay, maybe I can just get the height of the entire box. So the height is 511. So it's 350, 730. 7:30. All right. So to grab that, let me exit out some of this stuff. I got way too much stuff open. I'm gonna exit out that for now. I'm gonna move this over. Exit out app.js. All right. So to grab that, I can do. Put a div. I can grab right div and child 1 and 2. Grab a. Actually, I can just do. All right, let's see if this works. All right, so let's do right div and I want to do a padding of 2 rem. Always do 2 rem, so probably not that much. Let's do 1 rem. Okay. And let's do a border bottom of solid 1 pixel. And we're just gonna do gray for now. Gray, just to see everything. So, all right, so that's not working the way that I want to. What it look like that. So to do that, I believe all we have to do for the div, we can do a width of 95%, and then do a margin auto, and maybe change this to 80%, like that. And then do side to right, let's do a text align center. Wait, is this what we centered? No, that's what we centered. Yeah, mine look way different. Maybe maybe 90%. We can do for the H3s. I think we can do a white space. No wrap, I believe it's called. Yeah, I don't think this is working the way that I want to. Maybe the pattern's a little bit too big. Maybe that's why. So instead of like doing rims, let's do like 20 pixels. Do 10 pixels. Trying to get it the exact same way. Let's go back to 1 rim. Whoa, hold on, wait. I'm adding pattern on that. Add the pattern on the right thing itself. So let's do pattern. Okay. Okay. Let's try my display flex now. Let's see what happens. When all else fails, you try flex box. Flex direction column. And let's do a gap. Room. It isn't lining up to that though. Wonder why. Trying to look at the thing. Okay. We got something. We got something so far. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. See what I did here. So do I need flex? So I don't need flexbox. Let's comment that out. Because this is what I wanted right here. I really don't want to use flexbox. I wanted to, because I just want to try something out first. Let's see. Let's grab the H1, right? And let's do a margin bottom of 3 rem. Do 8 rem. Let's do 10 rem. Okay, so it still goes at the over top of that. Okay. I mean, I could use flexbox to be honest, but I don't feel a need to, because I can just grab these divs, right, and just do a margin bottom. Yep, a margin bottom of, I'm looking at this one over here, by the way, guys. A margin bottom of maybe like 20 pixels, maybe. Or 30 pixels. That looks about right. Maybe like 25 pixels. Okay. And then to space that out, we just have to add a padding bottom of 10 pixels. Something like that, I believe. I don't think this is right. A padding bottom, 10 pixels, maybe like 20 pixels. Maybe like 30 pixels. Okay. And then we got to grab this last child because this one doesn't have a border bottom. So let's see. I'm gonna do right if child child. Oh, I could just do 3. And then I'm gonna do order none. Should get rid. Wait, what? Oh, div inf child, maybe 4. Yep, there we go. And then I'm gonna do a margin bottom and padding. So the margin bottom will be smaller, so I'm gonna change it to like 10. And then a pattern, let's just take off for now. Didn't work, fuck. Oh, I put this 10. So I got rid of it a little bit. It's looking kind of like that, but it's not like fully like it. This one has a little bit more padding. Maybe give just a little bit more padding, maybe. That. Good. Maybe take down the margin bottom. Let's change this to 0 and see what happens. can't. Margin bottom. Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna do a flex box. I'm gonna keep the padding like that. That seems like it's kind of right. Maybe bring it down to like 27 pixels. I don't know, maybe like 25. But I am gonna turn it to a flex box. Okay, now it looks more like it, in my opinion, right? Maybe not. Hold on. This one looks a little bit wider, right? Maybe I do have to put, maybe I should put like a width or something on it. How long I've been recording? Maybe I should put like a width on it. Maybe. Hmm. Or actually, hold on. I think I have an idea. So for the hero container, maybe I should set like a. Let me go to Figma. Group width height 500 and 11 width 11. Maybe I should set like a max height for the section. So like max height 500 pixels. I'll leave that for now and just see what happens. But I mean, it kind of looked like it. Come on. Like literally, it's just this pattern at the bottom. Hold on, maybe I can get rid of that. Let me drag all this to the other monitor right quick. I don't know why I got it over here when I could just look right there. All right, so let's see. After this, I gotta go, guys. I've been recording for like an hour. I might finish this on camera maybe another day. I definitely want to finish it though, but it's just something I just wanted to try out. Do a little something different, but definitely gonna put this, save it, and try to finish it on camera another day. I don't think I'm gonna work on it off camera. Gotta work on my other projects. So yeah, the pattern at the bottom of this is a little bit too much, and I think it's this pattern bottom here. So what I'm gonna do is copy that over and just take off that. Oh, that was stupid. Let's do 0. See if that works. There we go. Perfect. And now I think that looks kind of like it. This one's a little bit wider though. There's a little bit wider. I wonder why. Like, do I set a width for it, or maybe? Maybe I'm using a little bit too much padding. So let's try 1.5 room. No, I don't think that did it. Right. Give it a width of. See what the width is in Figma. The width in Figma is 350 pixels. So let's see if that's it. Oh, what the fuck? That's not the width. That's the right width. Hold on. Group 4. Yeah. Where's my image at? Dude, I almost got it. Like, that is like close. Where is it? Maybe it's just I gotta stretch this out some. Dude, it's like right there. It's literally right there. Where's my image at? I lost my image. Okay, there it goes. It is right there. Like literally. I'm just gonna keep it. I mean, the padding and stuff might be a little bit wrong. Maybe. But I'm keeping it. I think it has too much left and right pattern. That's probably what it is. So I'm gonna keep the pattern on the top and bottom, but maybe do like a 1.5 rim for the left and right. That did something. Hold on. Wait. I think we got it. I think we got it. That looks exactly like spot on. Like even the text match up. Everything matches up. I think that's it. I think that is it. All right. So I'm going to work on this another day. These challenges are kind of tough. I'm not going to lie. I mean, they're not tough, but you got to really think about it. You're not just going to get on here and just, unless you plan it out. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to get on here, cut on the camera, and just start, recording and just see how far I can get. That's what I do with actually all my videos. That's why they take so long sometimes when I'm coding. But I think we got pretty far. I guess next time I have time working on this, just gonna work on this section. But overall, I mean, it was looking really good. So that's it for me today. That is day 125. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.